We are thrilled to share this incredible news regarding the completion of Phase 1 of our Socio-Economic Development project at Winnie Ngwekazi Lower Primary School in Soweto. This initiative is close to our hearts as it aims to uplift and create a compelling play and learn environment for the grade R learners. This upgraded facility will certainly underpin their future educational journey. Our comprehensive renovation project encompassed the refurbishment of the grade R classrooms and the revitalization of the grade R playground. Bidvest Turf, a subsidiary of Bidvest, played a pivotal role in this endeavor by landscaping the playground, laying down fresh instant lawn, and filling the play pits with hygienic white sand, creating a vibrant and safe outdoor space for our children to thrive. In addition to the physical upgrades, we forged partnerships with several sponsors to provide essential resources and facilities for the school. Vulcan Catering, one of our esteemed partners, contributed significantly to this project. Bidvest Buffalo Tapes generously sponsored the installation of a partition wall separating the newly added restrooms from the classroom, ensuring enhanced hygiene and convenience for the students. Mathews, a leading supplier of hardware and tools, stepped in to subsidize some of the DIY tools necessary for painting, thereby contributing to the overall aesthetic appeal and upkeep of the school premises. Furthermore, Bidvest Waltons demonstrates its commitment to education by sponsoring stationery items for the starter packs, powering the students with the tools they need for academic success. G Fox, another subsidiary of Bidvest, showcased its dedication to community upliftment by providing the young learners with a special Sellotape branded kit, while Sellotape itself contributed craft tapes and other materials to stimulate their creativity and imagination. The success of this transformative project would not have been possible without the dedication and passion of Mathews Khahla, the school's vice principal. His unwavering commitment to education and well-being of his learners drew Bidvest Afcom support, and we are immensely proud to have been part of this initiative. Education is the cornerstone of societal development, and by investing in the infrastructure and resources of schools much like Winnie Ngwekazi Lower Primary School, we are investing in the future of our communities. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all our sponsors, partners, and our team involved in making this project a reality. Together we have made a significant impact on the lives of the students of Winnie Ngwekazi Lower Primary School, setting them on a path towards success and prosperity.